Joe is working on cutting the last piece of the floor. While he's working on that, I figured I could start a fire pit. We definitely need one. We're getting a burn pile and we need to get some things going. So I want to have kind of a controlled area to do that, of course, in a safe way. But I want to make sure that I can also use these rocks. You're watching American Roots. These rocks are the ones that we brought that we could use for our fire pit. These were the old lights that I took off, Joe took off. There they are. And they work bright. They were so bright we could see them shining through in the house last night. So I'm gonna use these rocks and I'm gonna build a fire pit right over here. Got the fire pit done. I'm gonna dig out the center now that I have the ring. And Joe said he would go get me a few more rocks so I can fill in some of the blank spots. All right, I got the shovel. We are gonna dig out the center, we being me and the mouse in my pocket. I'm gonna dig out the center of the fire ring. Oh, look at this nice dirt. Oh my gosh, it's black. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it's like beautiful black soil. Fire on our land. Boy, this is nice. It's kind of chilly out tonight. It's definitely keeping us warm and getting rid of the trash from the floor. Oh look, my husband brought me a chair. Nice. That's kind of you. The coyotes are howling. There's like a chill in the air. We went to dinner with some friends tonight, and the restaurant was really good, and it was just good company. And when we got out of the restaurant, there was kind of like this like fog, like a chill almost sitting on the air. It was nice. That was kind of you. Oh, that's him being so kind. Lit this amazing fire. Be careful, it's hot enough. We'll just keep putting them on there. It's perfect. The tiny house. Little window lit up behind me. Our front porch lights, man, those are a glowing. You could at least see your step in the dark.
Oh yeah.
And they're solar, so there's no batteries or electricity going to that. For free. Here are the livestock guardian dogs. This week we acquired trash quite a bit from the flooring.
Cardboard.
And when you're out off grid, you're not really thinking about like where you're gonna put your trash. It really helps that you have a way to get rid of it. So we had tons, like a huge pile.
What are your options?
If you're gonna go pay to dump it, or
Landfill.
right, and when you don't have garbage services like coming to your house, what do? So this was one of the things we talked about being like on our to-do list, was how we were gonna get rid of the trash. So this was something, not only did we get to spend time together, but we also lessened our load of having something else to take away. It worked out well. And what?
It's nice out.
And it is nice out. Well, it's kind of chilly, but it's nice with the fire. Thanks for watching, and until next time, buy dirt, not diamonds, and we're praying you're blessed. We'll see you soon.